Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make shrimp fried rice. I know I already made other video about the Japanese fried rice, but this one I'm using Thai rice instead of Japanese rice, and also shrimp. You can use both any kind of rice, both Japanese or Thai rice or American rice, but I just want to show you this is shrimp fried rice. So, and also I use some little different ingredients for the taste. So this is other Japanese fried rice. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like my video, please thumbs up for me, my YouTube video, and also subscribe my YouTube video. I really appreciate, so that I will make more YouTube videos. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri, and thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you next time.